Hey everyone, I am Sudeep. In this video, we will learn about the logical operators in MongoDB, that is $and, or, nor, and not. These operators are crucial for filtering the documents based on multiple conditions and building more complex queries. Start with AND operator. This is used to combine multiple conditions and it will only return the documents that match all the conditions specified. In other words, every condition must be true for the document to be included in the result. Let's say you want to find the students who are 21 years old and have a GPA greater than 3.5. And the query looks like this: db.students.find, and inside the condition start with $and it takes a list of conditions. The first condition, age should be 21, and the second condition, GPA which is greater than 3.5. Let's see in action. Clear this. Now db.students.find, add the condition, start with the $and this takes a list of conditions. The first condition, the age should be 21, close this condition, comma, next GPA should be $GT 3.8 or 3.5, sorry, just close this condition here. Yeah, now the condition is completed. Add the projection, student name, GPA, and include age and exclude ID. Here you can see it returned all the students who are exactly 21 years old and have GPA greater than 3.5. Let's talk about OR operator. OR operator is used to combine multiple conditions, but it will return the documents that match any of the specified conditions. If a document matches at least one condition, it will be included in the results. Suppose if you want to find the students who are either 21 years old or have a GPA greater than 3.5, then we will use the OR operator. Let's see it in action. OR operator also takes an array of conditions. It will check whether the student has the age of 21 or has a GPA greater than 3.5. Let's run that. This query will return all the students who are either 21 years old or GPA greater than 3.5. Only one condition needs to be true for a document to be included in the result. Now let's discuss about NOR operator. This operator is opposite of OR. While OR returns all the documents that match any of the specified condition, NOR returns the documents that none of the condition is matched. If a document matches any of the condition, it will be excluded from the result. Let's say you want to find the students who are neither 21 years old nor have a GPA greater than 3.5. This NOR also takes an array of conditions, that is having the age 21, GPA greater than 3.5. Let's run the query. It has written all the students who are neither 21 years old nor have a GPA greater than 3.5. If a document matches any of the conditions, it will be excluded. Finally, let's talk about NOT operator. The NOT operator negates a condition. It is used to exclude the documents that meet a specific condition. If a condition is true, the document should be excluded. Suppose if you want to find the students who do not have a GPA of 3.8, we have to write the query in this way: db.students.find, inside the condition take the field name GPA, and inside the condition you have to negate that. So make use of $not and $equal to 3.8. It will return all the students record who has a GPA not equal to 3.8. Let's execute the query. So it has written all the documents. So let's add the projection for this. Student name :1, comma GPA :1. Exclude the ID. It has written all the students record whose GPA is not equal to 3.8. In this video, we covered the logical operators AND, OR, NOR, NOT. AND operator requires all the conditions to be true for a document to include in the result. OR operator requires at least one condition to be true. NOR ensures none of the conditions are true. NOT operator negates a condition to exclude the matching documents. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more.